LIBC in short. My name is Chigorum Promise and I'm your tutor for this video. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you the basis of greeting in Igbo language. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to greet like a native speaker. Let's get started. Now, I know you'll be wondering why greetings is so important in Igbo language. Yes, it's actually important because it has cultural value. It's believed that it's a form of respect and it improves relationship with people. Now, the basis of greeting. We know good morning, good afternoon, good evening is the common greeting in every language. Now, how do you say these words? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How do we say these words in Igbo? Good means Oma. Morning means Ututu. I repeat. Good means Oma. Morning means Ututu. Ututu. Afternoon means Ehihie. Evening Mgbede. So how do you say good morning in Igbo language? Ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma. Good morning. Instead of saying ọma ụtụtụ, you have to interchange it. That's how it's translated in Igbo language. So you say ụtụtụ ọma. Good morning. How do you say good afternoon in Igbo language? Ehihie ọma. Ehihie ọma. How do you say good evening in Igbo language? Just say that in your mind. Okay, in case you got it wrong, it is called Mgbede ọma. Mgbede ọma. Now, some other common greetings you might come across is Kedu ka ị mere? Kedu ka ị mere? You might say good morning to someone and the person responds with Kedu or Kedu ka ị mere. Some people, instead of saying Kedu ka ị mere, they just say Kedu. What is Kedu ka ị mere? How are you doing? Just like when you say good morning and the person replies with how are you doing? Some people, you might say good morning to them and they will respond with good morning. That's ụtụtụ ọma, ụtụtụ ọma. Some people might respond with ụtụtụ ọma, ụtụtụ dịrị gị mma. That's the morning should be good to you. While some might prefer to say Kedu or Kedu ka ị mere, meaning how are you? How are you? Kedu ka ị mere? In response to this, you say adị m mma. Adị m mma. Kedu ka ị mere? Adị m mma. Let's practice together. Ụtụtụ ọma, the person responds with Kedu ka ị mere? You reply adị m mma. Ehihie ọma. Kedu ka ị mere? Adị m mma. Mgbede ọma. Kedu ka ị mere? Adị m mma. And you're even. Then in some other practice, you can say good morning, that's ụtụtụ ọma. The person responds with ụtụtụ ọma. You're even. Ụtụtụ ọma, ụtụtụ ọma. Or ụtụtụ ọma, the person responds with ụtụtụ dịrị gị mma. You're even. So some other greetings we can learn in Igbo languages. Hi. If you noticed in the beginning of this video, I said something, which is Ndewo. 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 It can be hi or hello. Hi or hello. Ndewo. Aside ụtụtụ ọma, there are other ways of saying good morning in Igbo dialect. We have Ibolachi. We also have Isalachi. Now, Chi has 4 different meanings, but in this context, chi actually means morning. Morning. Chi can stand for personal God. Chi can stand for supreme God. Chi can stand for your faith. Your faith. That's your faith, maybe your future. So there are actually words in Igbo language that share the same spelling but different meaning. But we'll discuss that in the next class. But in this context, the chi we are talking about is the one that stands for morning. Chi for morning. Ibola chi. Isala chi. That's in other dialects. They greet Ibola chi, Isala chi. Yes, it's not really commonly used these days. People are more used to Ututu Oma, stuff like that. But some other dialects greet Ibola chi and Isala chi. Now, how do you respond to Ibola chi? Abola. It simply means I have woken up. I have woken up. You can also respond Obo. That means it's done. It's done. Obo. Then for good evening, you can hear other greetings like Kachifo, Kachifo, Kachifo. That's till dawn or till tomorrow. Kachifo. Then in response, you say Kobo. In response, you say Kobo. Remember, the other one is Obo. Obo. That's it's done. But this one is Kobo till dawn. Kobo till dawn. So there are other greetings like Kemesia. Maybe you're done discussing with somebody and the person is about to leave. The person tells you Kemesia Kodi. It means later now. Later. Just like some people can say later things now. Later things later. That's Kemesia. Kemesia Kodi. Kodi Kemesia. So these are other forms of greeting or ending a conversation in Igbo language. Kemesia, Kodi. Don't forget, we offer Igbo classes at only £3 an hour. You can book our classes through our website. Our website address is in the description box. Now, our website address is learnibo-byconversation.com. So that is it for today's class. Practice these phrases often and soon you will greet like a native speaker. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe for more. Thank you. Kemesia.